Okay, so this is Stacey, who's just done her third day on the permanent makeup startup course, and we have finally got to work on lots of people. So Stacey, we've done all sorts of treatments today, haven't we? So talk us through the day.
So my first sort of client was just eyebrows.
Yeah.
Katy took over. Obviously, she started first of all.
Yeah, on the first one.
To start with, and then obviously I got let loose on it.
Yeah.
And it was just amazing, sort of. From the treatment that I've had before to what I've done on a client was completely different sort of experience.
Oh right, so
it's pain-free, for example. I didn't have any numbing cream or anything like that, so it was, you know, for the client. Yeah. To feel like no pain or anything, it was brilliant.
Excellent. And also the machinery and equipment, I suppose, was different as well. And it all depends on, you know, the training, I suppose. Yeah. A bit more comfortable. And then obviously we then had another client in straight after that. And Kate said you pretty much did the whole procedure.
Yeah, the whole procedure from start to finish. I just like to dive in and do it. So yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Excellent. And so that must have been a nice relief to get the first one under your belt.
Yes, definitely.
Brilliant. Then we had a little break and had a bit of lunch and things, and then we had another client in, and then she had eyeliner, didn't she?
Yeah, she did.
So how was it working close to the eyes?
I thought it would be a lot more scarier, but to be honest, it was just like an amazing experience from start to finish, of the position of where to hold, and like the client not cry, like obviously the water coming down and stuff like that, because you need that for the tension around it. So it was really good.
Excellent. So we've had a busy second day then.
Yay!
Or third day, sorry, so to speak, but busy first day doing clients. And did you feel like you could get through 3 clients in a day then before you started training?
Probably not, no. Thought it'd be a little bit more scarier, but yeah, it was brilliant.
I suppose once you get thrown into the deep end, it sort of
becomes how I like it.
Excellent, brilliant. Well done, and we'll look forward to catching up with you when you finish up tomorrow.
Cheers.
Cool, cheers Stacey.